What is going on with all this flickering? Oh my goodness. I think my bulb is getting ready to go out. That's weird though. You don't see bulbs flash like that. Look at that. Usually it just burn out completely or doesn't flash like that. That's very weird though. Let me see what happens if I turn it off. Maybe it'll eventually burn out. See? It's still blinking. Oh, that's weird. But we're gonna have to replace it. Okay, so I have the cover off. Let's go ahead and get a closer examination. So you see I have two different type of bulbs, 60 watt maximum, okay? And as you can see right here, you see this? Oh, see that? You see how it has like this striation? It looks very weird. It looks like it's black. See how I'm touching it? So this bulb is something wrong with it. I think it's near its expiration date. So it's time to replace that because it's flickering. It's just a matter of time before it totally burns out. So since I have the cover off anyway, I might as well replace it. Bulbs are cheap nowadays. So what I have here is I believe this is a GE 60 watt equivalent, but it uses only 10 watts, so that's going to be sufficient and safe to use for a 60 watt one because it only draws actual 10 watts of power but produces 60 watts because of the new technology. Oh, you see that? That almost burned. Oh, see that? Yeah, definitely need to replace that. That's weird. So now I'm going to turn off the light switch and go ahead and remove the bulb. Look at that. Whew. When you look at that, it's like Morse code. Okay, let's turn off the light switch. And I'm going to be removing the problem bulb. So the safe way is to either wait or use gloves, but it doesn't feel too hot to me. You don't have to turn off the breaker to replace light bulbs. You just have to make sure you turn off the light switch. But one thing you have to do is make sure you do not insert your finger into the socket, okay? Definitely a warning right there. And I'm gonna insert the bulb and I'm gonna screw clockwise, looking from this direction, okay, until it's pretty much tight. Like I said, it doesn't have to be the same type of bulb. These are just two different type of design, the same type of standard. I think they call this E26 type of bulb, standard bulb size. One thing I like to do before I put the cover back on is to turn it on and make sure everything's working properly. See? And now I can put the cover back on. If I remember right, the old type of bulbs, when it's bad, it makes noise, but I think they improved the design. It doesn't make noise anymore. Okay, so I think we're good to go. Got the cover back on, everything was working properly, and this is the brand of bulbs that I'm using. I like these. They produce a soft white light, and it's LED, so it's built to last while reducing energy intake.